Hello students, how are you? So I hope you all are fine in the lockdown period. You all are safe and keeping healthy and also doing your studies well. So today we'll summarize lesson 2. I hope you have seen the previous video and after watching it you must be able to recognize different plants around your house, in your surroundings. You must be able to classify them. So now again I'll show you the same topic in the form of a presentation. So here's the presentation. Classification of plants. So we are classifying plants on the basis of their height, their thickness of the stem, branching, shape, kind of growth and their lifespan. So height, here you can see there are some small plants, some are very big. Then thickness of the stem, it has a thick stem over here, little bit thin, still thinner. Branching pattern, each of these plants have different kind of branching pattern. The shape of the plant and the kind of growth, how long they grow, what time do they take to grow, and their lifespan, that is the number of years they live. So based on these characters we are classifying plants into 5 different groups. In third class especially, as you grow up you will be classifying plants on many other different in many other different ways also. So on the basis of these points we are classifying plants. As first group is trees. Trees are big plants. They are very big in size. Their stem is woody and strong. Here you can see the stem is very thick, strong and woody. The stem is known as the trunk. Trees have many branches, and because of many branches and lots of leaves, they have a big canopy, so they give a shade. They have a deep root system to absorb water from the soil. Their lifespan, that is the number of years they live, is several years, many years, and sometimes even hundreds and thousands of years. So trees are living for lots and lots of time. They are older than our grandparents also. The common trees we see around us are mango, peepal, guava, eucalyptus. You can also name a few more trees which you commonly see around yourself. So now the next group of plants are the shrubs. Shrubs are not as huge and as big as the trees. They are little bit smaller in size. Their stem is woody but not strong, and it is not as big, and they are not as big as trees in size. The shrubs look like bushes. See, this is a bushy appearance, and here they look like bushes because they have a small stem which starts branching off near the ground. Here the branching has started off from here only. So they have a bushy appearance. They have lots of stem, that is multiple stems. Their lifespan is few years, around 10 to 15 years. And the common examples are rose, bougainvillea, these are bougainvillea flowers which you commonly see around these days, and cotton plant. So shrubs are smaller than trees. Their lifespan is also shorter than that of the trees. Their stem is not as woody and strong as that of the tree. Coming to the next group of plants, that is the herbs. Herbs have a thin green stem that is not woody. Here you can see a ladyfinger plant. The stem is green in color and it is not woody, and it is also thin, not very thick. And the size of the herbs is small. As you can see, the mint plant, commonly you all must have noticed the mint plant, you must have seen it and eaten the pudina chutney also. So the mint plant is also a herb. So they have small size and their stem is thin, green in color and not woody. The lifespan of herbs is 1 to 2 seasons, that is a few months. We sow the seeds of herbs, the common vegetables also, we sow the seeds, we get fruit and they die. So they live for a few months, and common examples are wheat, rice, mint, tomato. The next group of plants are the climbers. Here you can see in the picture, climbers means to climb. So they are given a support, and they, with the help of a support, they move up, that is climb up. The stem of the climbers is very weak and thin. They need support to climb up. The common example of climbers are pea, money plant and grapes. So the stem of the climbers you can see is thin and green in color. The next group of plants are the creepers. Creepers means to creep or crawl on the ground. They are not able to stand straight even when given a support. So they creep or crawl on the ground. because their stem is thin and weak. Their stem is weaker and thinner than that of a climber. So the creepers do not stand straight even when given a support. They spread their branches on the ground, and examples are pumpkin, watermelon, and strawberries, and grass also. So these are the common creepers. So today we have summarized the group of plants, the plants into 5 groups, that is trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. So with all this, I think now you will be able to definitely able to recognize whether a plant you are seeing is a herb, is a shrub, a climber, or a creeper, or a tree. So with all this, I now say to you that be safe, keep washing your hands, wear a mask when you go out, and keep smiling. Have a safe lockdown period. Thank you and goodbye.